Namo Namaha. This Subhashitam extols the importance of an enthusiastic mind, enthusiasm. Utsaho balavan arya. Nasti utsahat param balam. So utsahasya cha lokeshu na kinchitapi durlabham. So utsahasya cha lokeshu na kinchitapi durlabham. Utsaho balavan arya. Enthusiasm is the power of noble men. Nothing is as powerful as enthusiasm, and nothing is difficult in this world for an enthusiastic mind. A beautiful example of this is seen in the Ramayana. The monkeys are helping Lord Ram build a bridge across the sea. So the monkeys are busy carving out rocks and boulders from the mountains, and then they're placing it there along the seashore and carving it, shaping it in, and that is how they're going about building the bridge. So one large monkey, he's carrying a huge big boulder and he's walking very enthusiastically towards the seashore. Suddenly he hits upon a tiny little squirrel, a brown tiny little squirrel. So he gets irritated. He says, "Who is this? I'm on such a big mission. I have to help Lord Ram and I have to do so much of work. So who is this little thing who is on my way?" Then he says, a small little brown colored squirrel holding tiny pebbles in his mouth, and he is also running towards the shore. And he says, "I'm also helping Lord Ram build the bridge." So then he says, What are you doing here? Show me what you're carrying in your mouth. Tiny little pebbles. Oh, look at this. He calls all the big monkey calls all his other friends, and he pokes fun at the little squirrel. He says, "Look at this little fellow. He's having pebbles in his mouth and he says that he's going to build this bridge. Is it possible?" And they have a good laugh, all the monkeys. So the poor little squirrel is very upset. He's very enthusiastic. He wants to do his bit, but when the monkeys make fun of him, he is very upset. So he immediately goes running to Ram and he falls into his hands. Then Ram realizes what has happened and he says, "Lord Ram," then he says, "Never make fun of he advises the monkeys, do not make fun of the weak and the small. Your strength is very important, no doubt. But what is more important here is the love and the devotion. You are also enthusiastic, but so is this little fellow. So the little squirrel has love in his heart. And that is what is driving him. That is what is giving him the strength and the enthusiasm and the motivation to do that, to do such a big job in spite of his tiny frame. So, oh Vanaras, you are brave and strong and you are doing a great job. But do you know something? The big rocks and the boulders that you're placing, they need to be, there is a little gap when you place these boulders one after the other. There is a little gap between them. And it is these smaller pebbles and sand which this squirrel and his other friends are bringing. That is what will bind the boulders and make it into a strong bridge." So remember his task also. The task of the squirrel is equally important. Do not undermine it. So this is how Lord Ram advises the monkeys, and they go away with all that advice in their mind. Then he has this little squirrel in his hand, and he encourages the squirrel, and and with great love and affection he strokes the back of the squirrel with his 3 fingers. And that is how it is believed that the squirrel, the 3 white stripes that we see on the back of the squirrel, it is believed that it has come because of those are the marks of Lord Ram. So the little squirrel also showed the enthusiasm. Nothing is difficult in this world, however small, tiny you may be, if you have the enthusiasm in your heart. Utsaho balavan arya. Nasti utsahat param balam. So utsahasya cha lokeshu na kinchitapi durlabham. Nothing is impossible if you are motivated and if you have the enthusiasm, positive enthusiasm, in positive motivation and enthusiasm in your heart. Namo Namaha.